Hello guys, today we'll explain a coin from Telegram bots. Also another coin I already explained in my channel. The link of the video will be in description. There is many coin to win and to mine in Telegram. This is a real one. Like we see, this is the home page. After entering in the bot, you will see the play button. You click in play button, and like you see, this is my collection of auto collect. Like you see, this is my wallet of Notcoin bot. The link will be in description, also in the first comment of the video. Also of Avcoin, there is two bots, all two bots as paying. Like you see, this is in phase of accumulation of coins. I have 1,212,000. Like you see, this is my coin, this is my badge, but my badge is red Coca-Cola. Like you see, here there is earn, France here, earn and boost, and there is a trade. I will explain everything now. After entering the bot and click in play, you must click in your play like that. Your coin, use an autoclicker from any autoclicker to click your coins daily. You have this coin daily. I already have a booster and an auto bot clicker. I stop now claiming. Like you see, it's claim with itself. I will show you how. I'm in platinum. Like you see, I'm in platinum league. How to get this platinum league and how to get this like that. When you click in earn, it will appear like that, how it's work. For 10, this is the home page. If when you click in like I show you, like you see. For these all are tasks. When you complete tasks, you get coins from these tasks. Here, when you invite 10 friends, you will get please 100,000 coin. Here, you join squad. I already complete. Here for 1,000 Notcoin, I already complete. Here, when you join this one, you get 115,000. If you click here, you complete task, you get your coins. It's very simple. Like you see, I complete 3. I must complete this one. If I complete this one, I will get these coins to my balance. I can show you. You complete tasks. Like you see, let's see. I don't complete the task. Like you see, task is done. I have 100,000 coins. Like you see, my balance is increased. When you click in earn, you complete all these tasks. If you follow this, you will get 200,000 coin. It's very simple. You complete all tasks to get free coins for the first. Like we see, we complete in Telegram, in X also. Like you see, I have my rewards. Like you see, you do all for these tasks. I complete many tasks. Like you see, complete all these tasks to get free coins for the first. Also, by clicking here, I have a booster here for earn, how to get free coins for the first. Click in boost here, you will find turbo, booster, and full and energy. I already have full energy. Here you click, you buy from your coins here. Like you see here, turbo I will get for free. Like you see, there is turbo, a complete 1, a complete 2, claiming. We return to booster 3, like we see, turbo, full energy 3. Here is multi-tap. Here you buy you buy taps for your autobot. Like you see, for level 10, it means 10 tap. Here is energy. I already buy. Recharging speed. Here is, you find your autobot, you click in autobot. I already get my autobot. It will click when I sleep, taps when I sleep. Like you see, this is the badges, skins. I have the latest one. I activate. This is Nuka-Cola coin. If you want to activate, if you want don't activate, it's your choice. This Diamond League is your choice to choose. It's not like you see. Now we have earn. We earn to get free coins. It's simple task you do. A booster to get energy, and turbo. Here you get your auto tap bot and multi tap you buy from coins. Here there is trade, it's new. Here for 10 million, for every 10 millions coin, you can buy a voucher. For every 10 millions coin, you can buy a voucher. It's pre-market. The coin it's not launched yet, but it would launch it. You buy for a small gas fee 0.06 ton. I will explain how to get free ton to your wallet. This is new for ton coin. Like you see, it's click automatically. Here is the booster. When you click in booster, like you see, booster it's just like a rocket. It appear in screen, you click in it and it's start like that. Like you see, it's boosting. If you want to click, if you click here, like you see, it's turbo booster. In some seconds you complete. I have 1 million because I buy this Nuka coin, and I have a tapper, auto tapper, and I buy taps like I show you in the video. This is for our first coin. I advise you to work hard in this coin and to accumulate many coins. In trade, it's new for this coin. If you want to do this after getting 10 millions, you can do. If you don't want, it's in your choice. Like you see, if we return, this is our bot. Like you see, this is our bot. If you return to our wallet here in your Telegram, like you see, I have 0, but after time I will have 5 tons here. This is ton space. This is the first one, ton space. How to get ton space? The first one, when you open your wallet, it's very simple. We have this bot, the link will be in description, also on the first comment of the video. You just enter the bot, you click and get 5 ton in testnet. It will ask you to add your to complete captcha. You complete captcha. After that, you add your wallet, like I show you. The first one, test beta. You add your wallet. That's all. and you wait until your 5 ton will be in your wallet. It's for fees, you can use for gas fees. That's how it's work. This is the first coin. Let's go to other coin. Let's go to other coin. This is our other coin. It's for 67 USDT for 400,000 unit of gold. I already explained this coin. You enter the link, you enter to our coin. Like you see, I have 213,000 coin. I already complete today. Like we see, there is booster here. You can buy a booster for 13 USDT. It's new. It will taps for you. This is my profile. This is my profile. Like you see, it's very simple. Here there is money. Here there is NFT. Like we see. It's new in the site. If you want to use, if you don't want to use, I don't advise to use this. The coin, it's very good. The link will be in description, also in the first comment of the video of the first coin, and for the second coin. This is how it's work. It's very simple. All link will be in the first comment of the video. There is 2 coins from Telegram, trusted coins. Like I told you, the first coin now is listed in pre-sale. You must have collecting the first coin. Also the second coin, this gold coin for 400,000 coin, you will get 67 USDT in your Binance BEP20 wallet, 100% paying. I just make this video to explain and to get free coins from Telegram. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. Also, there is many coins will be explained in my channel. See you another mining video.